This is Ginny Brant with Unleash Your God-Given Healing. Today, we're going to look at 5 benefits of eating brown and white fruits, vegetables, and foods. Brown and white fruits and vegetables and foods don't burst with vibrant colors, but they are rich in beta-glucans, potassium, fiber, lignans, and epigallocatechins, known as ECGC. These plentiful micronutrients and phytonutrients are found not only in brown and white fruits and vegetables, but also in herbs, spices, and much-loved teas. Brown produce contains large amounts of anthocyanins. Eating 1 to 2 servings daily is highly recommended. Brown and white fruits and vegetables benefit us by, number 1, improving our heart health. The potassium found in brown and white fruits and vegetables, such as bananas, mushrooms, potatoes, and dates, is used to control the electrical activity of the heart and muscles. So important. A high potassium intake promotes cardiovascular health by lowering blood pressure, lessening our risk for strokes, and decreasing cholesterol levels, something we all need. The Cleveland Clinic recommends eating legumes, such as dried beans and lentils, in their heart-healthy diet, along with a more Mediterranean diet. Dr. Chow of the Cleveland Clinic also mentions flax seeds, which contain lignans, as a heart-healthy food. He actually recommends 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly ground flax seeds daily. My video on the benefits of flax seeds for cancer patients will be referenced in the show notes below, but now you see it also helps the heart too. Number 2, preventing cancer. Cauliflower is a cruciferous vegetable rich in an anti-cancer compound called sulforaphane. According to research, it's a promising molecule for fighting cancer. Did you know the American Cancer Society has been recommending cruciferous vegetables for breast cancer patients since 1985? Amazing. Lignans also prevent cancer, but especially, as we said, estrogen-fed cancers. Nutrients like beta-glucans and ECGC activate B and T killer cells, which reduces the risk of all cancers, including prostate and colon cancers. WebMD points to the countless number of clinical trials that support the anti-cancer activity of beta-glucans. Beta-glucans are found in reishi and shiitake mushrooms, as well as many whole grains such as oats and barley. Many studies have proven the cancer-fighting power of beta-glucans. Taking a beta-glucan supplement was one of the first things my integrative doctor, Dr. Amber Pacini, recommended when I was first diagnosed with cancer. This cancer survivor never passes by a serving of mushrooms without grabbing at least a few. And I eat cruciferous vegetables daily. Number 3, these brown and white foods boost immunity. According again to WebMD, beta-glucans act as an immune system activator and cell response modifier. They also play an important role in promoting lymphocyte activity. Selenium, which is also found in mushrooms, plays a key role in immune system support. Vitamin C is abundant in brown and white produce, including onions and garlic from the allium family. These also contain rich sources of sulfur compounds. For these reasons, when a recipe says add a cup of onions and 2 cloves of garlic, I double both, especially when I sense my immune system is struggling. Number 4, maintaining a healthy digestive system. Consuming potatoes with skins, mushrooms, and fruits such as apples and pears help to maintain a healthy digestive system by providing rich fiber that bulks up the stool, helping it to pass through in a timely manner. And passing through in a timely manner is very important. The older I become, the more I realize that God never intended for us to eat processed foods, and we're eating ultra-processed foods. In Genesis 1:29, he clearly tells us that the main foods he created for us to eat are simply the plants he created. Number 5, increasing metabolism. According to WebMD again, beta-glucans, as found in mushrooms, have anti-diabetic and anti-obesity effects, which have been proven in both animal-based and human-based clinical trials. Produce such as mushrooms make you feel full after eating, and after fiber is converted into short-chain fatty acids in the colon, appetite-reducing hormones such as peptide YY and ghrelin are released in the digestive tract. If a recipe calls for 1 cup of mushrooms, this gal uses 2. And you can see why. It's amazing how eating more plants can help lower your A1C. And you thought I was doing a drug commercial. Here are some examples of the healthiest brown and white foods that we should be eating on an everyday basis. Are you ready? Apples, coconuts, love those coconuts, pears, dates, a great sweetener, by the way, lychee, dragon fruit. I don't know how many of you have had a dragon fruit before. Cauliflower, Jerusalem artichoke, of course, onions, and garlic. And those mushrooms we just talked about, which are so good for you. Sauerkraut, cinnamon, cloves, allspice, nutmeg, they're all brown, they fit in, right? Black tea, white tea, coffee, can't leave out coffee, legumes, and lentils. So we should have some of these from this group every day. Don't allow the lack of color to fool you. Brown and white produce, herbs, spices, and teas have a powerful impact on our health. And who in this day doesn't need help lowering blood pressure and blood sugar? How about decreasing cholesterol too? How about improving the function of our heart, preventing cancer, boosting our immune system to fight COVID, viruses, and flus, and maintaining a healthy digestive tract? Am I the only one who needs these things, especially as I age? What amazing benefits. How about you? How many brown and white foods do you eat each day? It's time to start counting and make sure that you eat at least a few each day. I hope you will subscribe to my YouTube channel as we continue to look at the rainbow of foods and all the benefits that they give us. I hope you will like this video, share it, and click the notification bell so that you will know when I make new videos. Until next time, here's to your health with brown and white foods. So many herbs and spices, teas and coffees with so many benefits for our health. And may God bless.